Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 7.6 question number 7. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school, right? She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. Suppose this is Nandini's house. This is Nandini's house and this is the school building. Right, and the distance from Nandini's house to school, this is Nandini's house. Nandini's house, and this is school. Now it is said that the distance between school and Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer. That is 9 by 10 by 10 kilometer. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. He came here. That means he walked from here to here, walk from this distance A to B, and from B he took a bus to reach half kilometer. That means the distance of BC is 1 by 2 kilometer. 1 by 2 kilometer. Right? Here you see the distance between Nandini's and school is 9 by 10 kilometer. Right? And C walked some distance. You have to find the distance of AB. What is the total distance is AC, that is 9 by 10 kilometer. And what is the distance from B to C? That is from the point where he took a bus and goes to school, that is half kilometer, 1 by 2 kilometer. The total distance is 9 by 10 kilometer, and B to C is half kilometer. You have to find the distance A to B. How will you find? You have to subtract half kilometer from 9 by 10 kilometer, right? That means AC is 9 by 10 kilometer, BC is 1 by 2 kilometer. That we have to find AB. That means AC minus BC. That AC minus BC, right? That means you have to find the distance of AC minus BC, right? What is the value of AC? Here the value of AC is 9 by 10. Therefore, it is 9 by 10. And what is the value of BC? BC is half kilometer, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. You have to subtract this one, or then you will get the answer, right? Let us subtract this one. The LCM of 10 and 2 is 10. 10 and 2 dividing by 2, we are getting 2 5 is 10 and 2 1 is 2. Therefore, LCM is equal to 10. LCM 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Therefore, LCM is 10. If we divide 10 by 10, it is 1, that is 9 into 1. 1 minus, if you divide 10 by 2, it is 5, that is 1 into 5. 1 into 5. Therefore, we are getting 9 minus 5 by 10. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 by 10. 4 by 10. And you have to change it into lowest term, that is 2 to the 4 and 2 5 is 10. That is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. But what is the unit? Unit is a kilometer. You have to write the unit also, that is 2 by 5 kilometer. How far did she walk? That means the answer is she walked 2 by 5 kilometer. 2 by 5 kilometer. Right? Let us repeat once again. Suppose this is Nandini's house, right? And this is the school. The distance between Nandini's house to school is 9 by 10 kilometer. That is AC is 10 kilometer. A to C distance is 10 kilometer. 9 by 10 kilometer. And she walked some distance. Here she walked from A to B, and from B she took a bus and goes for half kilometer to reach the school. This is that the distance of BC is half kilometer. You have to find the distance of AB, right? That means what you have to do, you have to subtract half kilometer from the total, that is 9 by 10. Now A to C is that means AC minus BC will get the AB value of AB, right? That means AB equal to AC minus BC. AC is how much? 9 by 10 kilometer. BC is how much? 1 by 2 kilometer. We have subtracted and got 2 by 5 kilometer. Therefore, C walked 2 by 5 kilometer.